Hi, my name is Jenny Umali, and I'm a Reiki Master Teacher and a life coach. Let's talk about resentment. What is resentment? Resentment is that lingering feeling of anger, bitterness, or disappointment when you believe you've been wronged, betrayed, or treated unfairly. It's like a quiet grudge your heart carries. It often sounds like this: they shouldn't have done that to me. It's not fair. I deserve better. How bad is it to carry resentment? Resentment might feel justified, but it's toxic because it hurts you, not them. It keeps you stuck in the past, reliving pain over and over again. It blocks joy, peace, and healthy relationships. Studies show it can even impact your health, raising stress, blood pressure, and anxiety. Think of resentment like drinking poison and expecting someone else to suffer. It only damages your own heart. So, how to deal with resentment? Here's a four-step process. Number one, acknowledge it. Say to yourself, I feel hurt, and that's okay. Awareness is the first step to healing. Number two, understand the cause. Ask, what is holding onto this costing me? My peace, energy, happiness? Number three, shift perspective. Try, could this person have acted from their own pain or ignorance? This isn't excusing, it's understanding. Number four, choose to release. Forgiveness is freedom, not approval. Say, I forgive not because they deserve it, but because I deserve peace. So there are some power exercises. Close your eyes, hand on heart, breathe deeply. On every exhale, imagine releasing the resentment. I release this, I choose peace. Key truth, resentment keeps you chained to the past. Releasing it gives you back your energy, joy, and freedom. I am sending you love, light, healing, and abundance.